So hi guys, this is my time-lapse test. I shot it in both 1 second and 10-second interval, and I will show you some shots of it. And since I shot it during the evening, I set my iris and shutter speed manually. You can hit the shutter button and set it to 1/100 or 1/180 and hit the iris and set it around f2 to f2.8. So make sure to hit the shutter button and then hit the iris button after that. If it's too bright, increase the shutter speed and hit the iris button. Iris should be around f2 to f2.8 for best quality.